In the week that Copenhagen hosts the UN Climate Change Conference to discuss global warming and the human impact on our planet, design students from Newcastle College have been showcasing their own range of innovative and sustainable products designed with recycled or reusable material. The exhibition is the culmination of a long-term project in conjunction with Durham-based Premier Waste Management. 28 students from across the Northeast, all studying a National Diploma in 3D design, were challenged by Premier Waste Management to make products from recyclable material. The students were taking part in a competition to find which designs were best for the environment and would protect the planet in the future.
Okay, so when we began this project, the intention was that there was going to be prizes, and there would be a winner, second place and a third place. It's been very difficult to decide on what that ordering should be and who should be in that order. It hasn't been a decision that I've taken lightly. We involved a number of the directors of Premier and a number of other contacts I have in the design industry to discuss who should be awarded it. In time-honoured fashion, I will start with the third place, and I'd like to say congratulations to Amir for your tyre seat. Second place is gone to Lisa Lyons for her footstool made out of boots. This was a very difficult decision that we made, but we decided to award first place to Lewis Fleming for his art installation.
To do this because of all of the plastic and the ocean, what's happening to the environment and the wildlife, and how it's just going to be there for like ever basically. So I was thinking about making a message to send to people. So this is what it would look like. Well, a bit better than this obviously, but like it'll be eye-catching. There'll be lots of colours and lights to kind of show what's going on.
We're very impressed by the level of work and the level of understanding and research that the students had done about recycling issues and the issues of waste. We hope that what we've said here and what we've done here has a lasting impact, so when they complete their studies here, go on to university and go on to the world of work, that they will be producing products and materials that will be able to be recyclable and will be sustainable.
Felt really good. I was a little bit shocked because I didn't actually think I'd come first place, but I felt really good when we able to shout it out, and I was proud of it.
I have really enjoyed this project. I found it quite difficult at first to think of good ideas, but once I started making it, I really enjoyed it. The reason I chose to use shoes to make my project, because when I was doing research I found they were one of the most difficult things to recycle, and nobody else in the class used shoes as well, so I thought it would be a good idea.
It's been a good project. It's quite a slow start, but eventually got there. And it was great learning to use lots of different computer programs to make the model. And in the end it was just great fun putting it together and actually getting it finished.
I really like this project because where it started off was pretty stuck, and then I basically thought about where I wanted to start, so it was plastics, and then I thought from plastics what else could I go into, so it was glass, and then from glass I thought, well, what can I do which is off its scale as such, so I went into heating it up or cutting it or drilling holes. That's where I came about my table where I could put the indent inside it. It's taught me a lot in the terms of recycling and how much is out there which is already there, which is ready to be used again.
At first I wasn't enjoying the project, but then as well getting more towards the end of the project I started to really enjoy it, and when I first figured out what I wanted to do exactly, what materials I wanted to use, I really enjoyed it. I love working in the workshop and making it, and I learned that you can basically make anything out of recycled materials, and it's just really good how you can do that instead of making just putting them in all in landfill and stuff and making things go bad. And I really want to do interior design, and so I've made a project around like furniture and stuff, and I really enjoyed it.
I think that what I'm most impressed with is the way that the students rose to the pressure involved in this as a live brief. That Dragon's Den thing in particular, a lot of the students were absolutely terrified of giving their presentations, and still they had the courage to stand up and do it, and that mimics a real world situation, and the sooner they overcome that, the better. I was discussing the project with the course leader earlier, and we're pretty sure that we're going to, of the 3 grades we award, passes, merits and distinctions, I think that all of the grades will be merits and distinctions for this project. So as a level, they've all done so incredibly well, and bear in mind that this is the first project that students do in first year. They've had to acquire a lot of new skills in second year and climb what is a very steep learning curve whilst coping with all this pressure at the same time. So I think that it's just amazing that, bar none, they've all managed to do that. I don't think I could do that, and I'm twice their age. So yeah, happy, very pleased. And also, this work is going to form the basis of their portfolio to be interviewed for university. And I'm pretty confident that they're all going to get a place at HE as a result of this. So